All right, Jeff Lambert here, No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. It is Tuesday, September 13th. How you doing? Gonna do a roof rejuvenation treatment on one of our suppliers' homes. He had originally called us out here because he was getting a roof leak, did an emergency call in the middle of the night. Came out here, saw exactly what the problem was, came out the next day and replaced the whole lower section of the roof. He has solar panels up on his home, so to get as much life out of that existing roof due to the solar panels, we're going to go ahead and rejuvenate the rest of the roof. We won't do any rejuvenation on the roof that we just recently replaced, but the rest of it we will. Let me turn this around. There we go. There's our vehicles. You can hear the machine running. I apologize for the noise, but we're getting ready to actually get up there, and I wanted to do a quick video showing what we do. I'm sure if you watch the other videos you see that. The downspouts are all bagged off, so any of the greener shingle product that runs into the gutter will then turn around and run into the downspout, excuse me, run into the sock or the back. Now this, in all actuality, should not be getting done, this roof right here, and they still bag the bottoms just in case, I guess, or they just forgot. But nonetheless, we'll come over here, and give me just a second. It's always good to get it all done, even though maybe some of it won't get done. So on this roof right here, on this side, we need to do it because we didn't replace that, and then the upper portion. And I'm just going to come around to the back real quick. As you can hear the King sprayer humming along, it's circulating the product. You want to make sure that that greener shingle product is circulating. So we got Octavio on the ground, we got Pablo going up to the top. As you can see, we have some solar panels up there. I'm going to come over. Hey, there I am. And let's see. You can see them back behind me. Back around. There we go. Solar panels up there, and then on the other side. So we're going to go ahead and knock this out. We got another rejuvenation after this over in the spring area. Jeff Lambert here, No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. Again, cross market, cross market. That's how you get the other jobs. Start small, work your way up. Show the homeowners that you do a fantastic job, and they'll keep giving you a call. As we always say, educate the homeowner, solve the problem, get paid. Talk to you later.